I'm at the airport and I am here to meet Johnny Ware from the Lawn Forum, Mighty Quinn from the Lawn Forum, DFW Pilot from the Lawn Forum, and Red Tent Chew from the Lawn Forum. We're here just to kind of chill, hang out, relax a little bit, and, you know, have a good time. So I'm here with the boys. Raise it up. So that's how you change the height of cut. We're at Top Golf in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This place is awesome. We're having a fun time. We're going to hit some golf over here down to the Top Golf section. Looking forward to this. We're here at Top Golf. We've got Mr. John Ware here. We're down in Dallas, Texas. This place is awesome. We had an awesome time. We've got some of the other guys from the Lawn Forum here, like MQ, Red Tent Chew, and who else we got here? DFW?
DFW Pilot.
So what do you have to say?
We're excited Connor came down to Dallas to see us.
And we've been golfing for 2 hours. I beat all of these guys. They're suckers. I beat them all. That MQ, don't even worry about him. I kicked his butt. Hey! What's up? So this place is called Hard 8 Barbecue. It's a barbecue joint over in Texas. The Dallas-Fort Worth area. This place is cool. They've got like 12 barbecue pits, like these things right here. These are barbecue pits. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat up and I'm gonna freaking order that. So whatever Mighty Quinn orders, I'm gonna order more than he does. Whatever he does, I'm just gonna top him. That's the goal for the evening. Hey, what's up?
This is freaking awesome.
Don't kid yourself, this is awesome.
What's up, guys? So it's like pretty much 9 o'clock and Connor's not out of bed yet, so we're gonna go upstairs and wake him up. What's up, man? This is not Utah time.
Oh, can it be?
We're on Central time.
Oh, I like that light in my face. That's very nice.
Finally meet the legend.
So we're just here at the Cracker Barrel. Today is Sunday and we are leaving to go home. Mr. Andrew Barry's over there. We just left and we are going back to Toby's house, and then we are gonna call this trip closed. Hey, so I'm just at the airport, heading back home. Had an awesome time with those guys from the Lawn Forum, and I'm looking forward to getting back home to my family, get back home to my lawn, and being able to see what I got going on there. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.
Yeah, man. I got his camera. He has no idea